The following video is from a woman named Kristen out of New York. She looked outside one day and saw these unidentified footprints in her yard. And of course, people are saying they're bunny tracks. But there's a couple of things I want to point out when we're looking at these footprints. The size of them, once she puts her foot next to it, it literally dwarfs her foot. They're probably a size 13 or even larger. And not only that, is the way it's pronged, almost like something with a foot like this. And then the stride. Bunnies do hop when they're, racing across a yard or snow, and you can see that. This stride is between 4 to 5 feet in length. That has to be a gigantic bunny. This is something else. Take a look at this and tell me what you think.
Recording it?
Yeah. My fucking God. Mom. 3. Oh my God. Mom, that's a foot. That's not no barefoot, Mom. Look at my foot. Look at my foot. Mom, look at my foot. Look at this shit. Oh my God.
Unless it was a deer running, because they have the...